Welcome. If you want to clean storage in your Xiaomi Mi 9 Lite, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now tap on the search and type here storage. Click on the storage, then scroll down and tap on the cleaner. And as you can see, there's the size of the trash, but let's check it. Okay, so I don't want to clean the Facebook Opera, also the photos, the wallpaper and my plugin. I just want to get out the cache files, right? So tap on the cleanup, and as you can see, it's finished. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.